Hi everyone, this is Mukundan Raghavan. Today the topic is Machine Learning Session 1 Introduction. So after seeing the Python basics a little bit, so it's a time to jump to machine learning. And as soon as I took the topic machine learning, it looks like a very vast topic, but still it's worthy to learn. And this video onwards, we will be focusing on the machine learning, and it's a huge mission, so we need your support and feedbacks to continue these sessions, and definitely it will be very useful for the future. And let me introduce some of the terminologies for the machine learning. Since we are the beginners to the machine learning, so we'll go with very basic concepts and definitions. So first one, makes machines to learn from various data rather programming explicitly. It is a very simple definition, but it has more other definitions as well. In coming sessions, we will see the exact definitions for the machine learning, but as a layman point of view, it makes machines to learn from various data and rather programming explicitly. So till now we have seen a normal programming which will have the predefined results or the predefined expectations. But in this, we will make program to learn from the data based on the data available. It will choose the results, or it will react accordingly. And that is about natural sense. And natural sense is nothing but every human have the natural sense. So we never define anything from our childhood. So we will learn from the different people and the different situations, and we will create our rules, and based on that we will react. And maybe it will be in the subconscious memory. The same way we are giving a numerous number of data to the machine, and from that we will make the machines to learn from that. And obviously we need the mathematical concepts. And as soon as I tell the mathematical concepts, some might wonder whether we need to go back to the school days and college days to learn the mathematics concepts such as algebra, calculus, probability, statistics. Of course we need to go, but however it's not required to go in depth, but we need to know why we call that methods or why we need that concepts. And machine algorithms, needless to say, it's a machine learning, so definitely we need to know the machine algorithms. Even though if you have multiple data, how to choose, how to cluster the data, and how to group the data. So those things will be explained in the machine's algorithm. And after that, visual graphs. So here it's a different kind of graphs are there. So it's better to see the data in the graphs rather than in the Excel sheet or in the database. So it will be easy to understand and interpret the data if it is in the graphs. Next one, Python. So maybe so many people may be happy because we already covered the basics of Python, and it's nothing to worry to learn Python again if you are not already covered that Python. Definitely for Python basics, it will not take more than 3 weeks. And the main part comes here. So whatever language or whatever the area you want to learn, the sources of learning is very important, because if you don't choose the source properly, it will make you tired or exhausted after some time. So for machine learning, we have YouTube, GCP Crash Course, NPTEL, and online courses from Coursera, EDX, and so on. So let's see what are those sources practically. So this is from Coursera. So if you see the syllabus, sometimes you may get surprised, but still, uh, bigger mission needs a bigger consistency. So introduction, linear regression with one variable, linear algebra, and MATLAB, logistic regression, regularization, and so on. So let's see in EDX. So about this course, so it looks for the supervised, unsupervised learning. So don't worry about that. So even we are the beginners, so but we will go through every topic. day by day or the video by video. And NPTEL. So this is scientific course for AI and everything. So UG, PG. So it is almost like a university, and you can find for let's say Indian IIT also. IIT people also will be giving the lectures here. So in NPTEL gives National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. So there is an exam also there, but it's not required to do. If you want, you can skip that. And Google Developers Blog. So here you can have multiple questions like whatever comes in our mind when we start with machine learning. So for example, does the real world make an appearance in the course? Or is this programming course? Or if I don't know Python, can I learn or can I just continue with the machine learning? So there are numerous number of the frequently asked questions which strikes in your mind. And this is the best one I felt because this is from Google GCP, I mean Google Cloud Platform. So you will have the crash course, and just if you click on that crash course, so even if you see the pre-request, they will be clearly explaining. So it's a correct course for you, or if you they will categorize you, no machine learning background or little background or more background. So based on that, they will start, and they have the different kind of videos and topics here. But however, we will go through because these topics for them it maybe looks easy, but for us, we need to come up with mathematical concepts and other concepts as well. So we will combine all this material and learning, and we will just go through and understand the machine learning concepts in coming days. Plan and goals. So if you plan to start with machine learning, and I just want to tell you that 30 days course or 3-month course or 2-week course, so that those kind of courses definitely will get the money from you, but it definitely will not help us because it has a huge concepts and a variety of topics and mathematical concepts. So definitely it will take more than 1 year, and it needs more consistency. And however, we will not do only the theoretical part, we will try to learn the hands-on also simultaneously. And obviously time to refresh the mathematical concepts at least to the usage, and try to do experiments not only on systems but also in machines. So till now you might have worked on the systems, but our goal is to work not only on the systems but also in machines. So different kind of sensors or the modules or the Raspberry programming. So that will be our goal. And still so many goals to be added, obviously, because even the machine learning and AI is evolving field. And already you might have noticed people are using the Paytm, people are using the Uber. Even Uber uses some AI intelligence because it senses them and how many people are just acquiring the car facilities in particular area in rush hours, how it works. And Paytm, you might have seen the people already used to give the money digitally or electronically. So there are so many things already happening around us for the MI and AI, sorry, ML and AI. So definitely it's worthy to learn, but it takes more consistency. So that's what I need your support and feedback to continue this journey. Every journey begins with a step. Obviously, we are in the first step. Welcome all. And as a team, as a community, as a single-minded people, we will continue this journey. I need your support, guys. Thanks. Thanks for all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.